Well, this is the entrance for the stall holders and the participants. You got a nice field to play around a bit. Lots of trucks and trailers to transport all the vehicles. You can buy fresh sunflowers here. Yeah. Ah, Landini. Made in Italy, I think. Well, we should ask Mi Tracteur. She knows everything about Landinis.
Is dat voor u of niet? Is dit voor u?
Nee, dat is niet voor mij, mevrouw. Nee, dat is niet voor mij. We zetten even op de plaat. Hitachi. Well, I made a separate vid of this one, our Messi Ferguson. A Deutsch. Well, one of the older vids. I show you all the new Deutsch models. Made a special vid of this, the Volvo, our Chinese trike. A Fend. Oh, we love our Liebherr cranes. Oh, Beunhaas. Not sure how I can translate that. Beunhaas. Voskamp. Well, let's see what's in the brochures of Mr. Voskamp. Ah, these are all the machinery you'll use if you got a job for him. Getting the potatoes, chopping the corn, moving sand and dirt. Ah, this guy wants to buy your straw. This looks new too. Another Deutsch. Progressive density. Ah, making bales. Straw or hay? Not sure. Yeah, making big bales. Ooh, very compacted bales, yeah. Let's see, there were some other attachments to other tractors. Kuhn VBP 2160. Picking up the hay or straw, I'm not sure. Making nice bales. You probably can store them outside. They're completely covered in plastic. What's this? Cropcutter. BB9080. Whoa. A cropcutter. Oh. Well, large bales come out here. What's this? Ooh. Well, this is straw. Yeah, this is straw, all right. CNH Belgium, New Holland Agriculture, Belgium. Whoa, big cutting knives. Yeah. Whoa. Better stop this machine before you work on it, or it'll chop you up. Well, it's the first time I see a huge contraption like this. But I'm not a farmer. I'm born and raised in a city, so... Oh, holy mac. What the heck is this? What the heck is this? It cuts. And it pumps manure, liquid manure into the ground, or? I think so. Holy moly. That's a big one. Let's see. Meters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 meters. That's 52 feet. That's a wide one. Liquiliser. Duport Liquiliser. Well, of course, tank filled with liquids, and then you roll these pins over the ground, and then by way of high pressure they spray a sort of, what is it, fertilizer or manure into the ground? I'm not sure. Well, for those questions we've got YouTube or Google. Just type in Liquiliser Duport and we'll find the answer. Lots of hydraulics here. Oh, empty. Duport. Let's see, Liquiliser PTW 8500, built in 2011. Weight, 10,000 kilos. Whoa. PTW 8500, Liquiliser. Oh, big pumps. Oh. Let's see, 8,500 liters. I think so. Oh. Well, I'll walk back a bit. I'll show you the size of this Liquiliser. It's a huge machine. Well, I'm sure they will transport it in a different way as it's shown here, because you wipe the complete street clean if you drive like this. I think it lifts and it turns or splits. There's a piece and there's a piece. Hydraulically they lift it up, pull it up. Liquiliser. Well, troops, I'll be moving on to make some more vids, but this is something you don't see every day. See you in the next vid. Bye bye.